Good morning everyone. Today we are here to present our project for the subject TWT 6223 Web Learning and Applications. The title of our project is Online Student Attendance Management System. This project focuses on developing a web-based system to manage student attendance more efficiently and accurately. Now we would like to begin our presentation. Next, I would like to introduce our group members. Our team consists of 4 members. I'm Yap Yun Chen. Second, we have In Chi Song. Third, we have Liu Jingling. And finally, we have DWC. Together, we work collaboratively to develop the Online Student Attendance Management System. For the introduction, this project is an online student attendance management system, which is a web-based system designed to improve the efficiency and accuracy of student attendance management. The system replaces traditional attendance methods such as paper-based records and spreadsheets, which are often time-consuming and prone to errors. It provides a centralized platform for administrators, lecturers, and students to manage and monitor attendance effectively. The system offers several features, including attendance recording, attendance tracking, and report generations. To develop this system, we use web technologies such as PHP, MySQL, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create an efficient and user-friendly system.
The main objective of this project is to develop a web-based online student attendance management system that can improve the efficiency and accuracy of attendance management. Instead of using manual attendance sheets or spreadsheets, this system allows attendance records to be stored and managed digitally. This helps reduce human errors, duplicated records, and missing attendance data. This system also provides different functions based on user roles. Administrators can manage system data, lecturers can record and monitor attendance, and students can view their own attendance records. Besides that, the system supports attendance report generation, including filtering records by course and date. This makes it easier for users to check attendance performance and export reports for documentation purposes.
Now, I will explain the database design of our system. The database consists of 6 main tables: users, students, courses, enrollments, attendance, and attendance code. These tables are connected through primary and foreign keys to maintain data consistency and accurate relationships between students, courses, and attendance records. This structure supports attendance tracking, attendance code generation, report generation, and efficient data retrieval.
Now I will demonstrate for the administrator module.
Now I will demonstrate the administrator login. On the homepage, you can see 3 roles: administrator, lecturer, and student. For this demo, we will log in as the administrator. On the login page, you must key in the detail carefully. If you leave the username or password field empty, the system will display a message saying that please fill out this field. If you select the wrong role or enter incorrect login details, for example, you choose administrator but type the wrong username or password, it will show invalid username, password, or role. To log in correctly, select administrator, enter the username admin and password admin123, then click login. Once the information is correct, the administrator is successfully logged in. Now I will demonstrate the administrator dashboard. After logging in successfully, the administrator is directed to the dashboard page. At the top, you can see a welcome message showing the role as system admin. The dashboard provides a quick summary of the system, including total students, total courses, and attendance sessions. In the middle section, there's a system attendance overview chart that visually displays the attendance distribution, showing how many students are present, late, or absent. This gives the administration a clear picture of overall attendance performance. Below the chart, there is a reason attendance sessions table. It lists the latest attendance record for each role along with details such as the date, course code, course name, topic, number of students present, late, absent, total enrollment, and the attendance percentage.
Now, I will demonstrate the students module. This module allows administrators to manage student records within the system. First, I will demonstrate the search function. By entering a student's name, username, or student ID, the system successfully retrieves and displays the matching student record. If a non-existing keyword is entered, the system displays a no student found message to inform the administrator that no matching records exist. Next, I will add a new student. I will enter the student's name, program, and phone number. For this example, I will first enter an invalid phone number. After clicking the Add Student button, the system displays an error message stating that the phone number must contain exactly 10 digits. The validation prevents invalid data from being stored in the database. Now, I will correct the phone number and enter a valid value. After clicking the Add Student button again, the student record is successfully added to the system. The username and the student ID are generated automatically and displayed in the student records table. The administrator can also add student information using the edit function. After saving the changes, the attendance information is immediately reflected in the records table. Finally, I will demonstrate in the delete function. When the delete button is clicked, a JavaScript confirmation box is displayed to prevent accidental deletion. After confirming the action, the selected student record is successfully removed from the system. Next, I will demonstrate the course module. This module is used to manage course information. First, I will demonstrate the search function by entering a course code or course name. The system displays the matching course record. If no matching course exists, the system displays a non-course found message. Next, I will attempt to add a course using an existing course code. The system detects the duplicate course code and displays an error message. This validation prevents duplicate records from being created. Now, I will enter a new course code and course name. After clicking the Add Course button, the course is successfully added and displayed in the course records table. The administrator can also modify course information using the edit function. Finally, I will demonstrate the delete function. When the delete button is selected, a JavaScript confirmation box appears to verify the action. After confirmation, the selected course record is removed successfully. Next, I will demonstrate the enrollments module. This module is used to assign students to courses and manage enrollments records. First, I will select a student and choose a course from the available options. After clicking the Enroll button, the enrollment record is successfully created and displayed in the enrollments records table. To demonstrate the validation feature, I will attempt to enroll the same student into the same course again. The system detects the duplicate enrollment and displays an error message. This validation prevents duplicate enrollment records from being created. Next, I can use the course filter drop-down to view the students enrolled in specific course. After selecting a course, the system displays only the enrollment records related to the course. If I want to view all enrollment records again, I can click the Show All button. The system will display all enrolled students across different courses. The total number of enrolled students displayed is also shown for easy reference. Finally, I will demonstrate the delete enrollment function. When the delete button is clicked, a JavaScript confirmation box is displayed to confirm the deletion request. After confirmation, the enrollment records is removed successfully from the system. Next, I will demonstrate the enrollments module. Next, I will demonstrate the reports module. First, I will select a course. The system displays the attendance records for the selected course. Next, I will select a specific date to filter the attendance records. If no matching records are found, the system displays a No Records Found message. Next, I will click the Reset button to clear all filters and display all attendance records again. Now, I will select a course again before exporting the report. After that, I will click the Export CSV button. The system generates and downloads the attendance report in CSV format. Finally, I will click the Export PDF button. The system generates and downloads the attendance report in PDF format.
Now, I will continue with the demonstration of the lecturer module. First, the lecturers log into the system using a valid username and password. After successful authentication, the lecturer is redirected to the lecturer dashboard. It provides an overview of the lecturer's teaching and attendance information. It displays the lecturer's identity summary cards such as my courses, my students, attendance sessions, and attendance range, as well as a pie chart showing the attendance status of present, lab, and absent. The course summary tables also provides details about each course, including enrolled students, attendance sessions, and presentation. This allows the lecturer to monitor their classes efficiently. Next is the attendance management page. The lecturer selects a course and attendance date, then clicks the Load Students button to display enrolled students. The system provides shortcut buttons, such as Mark All Present, Mark All Lab, and Mark All Absent for faster attendance marking. Lecturers can also mark attendance individually and add remarks for lab or absent students. After completing the attendance record, the lecturer clicks Save Attendance, and the data will be stored in the database. Next is the attendance code features. The lecturer selects a course, attendance date, and validating period before clicking the Generate Code button. The system automatically creates a unique attendance code for students. One of the additional features of our system is the time-limited attendance code, because the code can only be used within the selected validating period. Lecturers can also view active attendance code and their expiration time. After that, I will briefly demonstrate the student attendance submission process. After retrieving the attendance code from the lecturer, students enter the code and click Submit Attendance. The system checks whether the code is valid and not expired. If the code is invalid or expired, an error message is displayed. If the code is valid, the attendance is recorded automatically, and the system redirects the student to the My Attendance page, where they can view their attendance record and percentage for each enrolled course. Finally, I will demonstrate the attendance reports page. Lecturers can search and filter attendance records by selecting a course and date range. After clicking the Filter button, the system retrieves and displays the corresponding attendance data. The Reset button beside the Filter button allows lecturers to clear all filters and return the report to its default view. The attendance statistic section will automatically adapt based on the selected course and date range. It displays important information, such as attendance percentage, total present records, lab records, absent records, and execute records. Below the statistics section is the attendance record tables, where lecturers can review detailed attendance information, including student details, attendance status, and remarks. One of the additional features implemented in our system is the Report Export function. The Export CSV button allows lecturers to download the attendance records in CSV format, while the Export PDF button generates a formatted report for documentation and record keeping. These features help lecturers manage attendance records more efficiently and conveniently. That's all for my presentation.
Now I will demo the system as a student. And now I'm going to demonstrate the student login. In the home page, as you can see, there's 3 different roles, which is administrator, lecturer, and student. And I click the student, and I come into the sign-in page. In this sign-in page, if I didn't enter anything in the username and password, and I click login, the system will remind me to fill out the field. And also, if I type the incorrect password and click login, the system will also remind me there's an invalid username, password, or role. So to successfully log in as a student, just type the correct username and password, and then click the login button. Then here we go. So now I'm going to demonstrate the dashboard module. After login, I will be redirected to the dashboard page. In the dashboard, the system displays a welcome message with the student's name and role. Below the welcome message, the dashboard displays the student's profile information, including student ID, name, program, and phone number. The next section is the attendance summary. This provides a quick overview of the student's attendance performance. The color indicator makes it easy for students to understand their attendance status. And at the bottom of the dashboard, the enroll course section lists all courses registered by the student. This page provides students with a quick overview of their personal and attendance information in one place. So now I'm going to demonstrate my attendance module. At the top of the attendance report, students can view their attendance percentage for each enrolled course. Then below that, the summary card displays overall attendance statistic, including the attendance percentage, present, late, absent, and excuse count. The filter section allows us to generate statistics based on the course and the date range. For example, I choose the course Web Technique and Application from 30th of June to 40th of June, and I click the filter button. Then I will get a new statistic based on what I filtered it. Besides that, students can also export their attendance report as CSV or PDF file through the button in below. And for example, I want to get attendance report as CSV. I just need to export CSV, click the export CSV, and the system will automatically generate and download the CSV from the attendance report in CSV format in my computer. Then if I want PDF, then I just click, then the system will let me preview first. Then I just click the download PDF button in above, then I will get the PDF format of attendance report. So here's the PDF that I download. At the bottom of the page is my attendance record section. The attendance record table provides detailed information about each attendance entry, including course, date, status, and remark. So now I'm going to demonstrate the change password module. In this page, if we blank the field and click change password, the system will remind us please fill out this field. So in another situation, if we type a wrong all password to change the password, the system will also remind us that the all password is incorrect. Besides that, if we type the correct all password and type a new password, but the confirmed password is incorrect, the system will also remind us that the password does not match. To successfully change the password, we just need to type the correct password and enter the new password and confirm that the new password, and then lastly click the change password button. After the change password button is clicked, the system will verify the old password and then check that the both new password entry match and update the account immediately. This feature helps to improve the account security and protect student information. Now I'm going to demonstrate the change password module. In this page, if we blank, now I will demonstrate the logout module. As you can see at the top of the page, there was a navigation menu that allowed the user to access different functions of the system. We just need to find the logout button and click on it, then we will log out immediately. Now I will demonstrate the logout module. In conclusion, the online student attendance management system is successfully designed and developed to provide an efficient and reliable solution for managing student attendance record. The system replaced the traditional manual attendance method with a web-based platform that allows users to record, to update, and monitor attendance information conveniently. The system is developed by using HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, PHP, and MySQL to ensure the secure data storage, faster access to record, and improve data accuracy through validation and error handling feature. Based on the testing and evaluation result, the system is successfully achieved its objective and meet the specific user requirement. It's helped to reduce human error, improve record stability, and enhance overall administrative efficiency. And that's all from us. Thank you.